Rain.
Yes, rain. Anong katunog ni rain? Si hat o si ape?
Si ape.
Yes, very good. So, alam mo na ang mga pictures, ano, and their sounds. We go to the next page number 12. So, page 12. What picture is this?
Cake.
Ape. Cake, sorry. Cake, yes. Then, next picture, what picture is this?
Fan.
Very good. Fan. Magkatunog ba si cake at saka si fan?
Hindi po.
Yes, very good. Hindi sila magkatunog, ano? What about this picture? What picture is this?
Man.
Man. Ano ang katunog ni man? Is it cake or is it fan?
Si fan.
Yes, very good, Bray. Now, next, what picture is this?
Gate.
Gate. Isang ulit pa nga.
Gate.
Yes, gate. O, tanong. Ano ang kasound ni gate? Is it cake or is it fan?
Si cake.
Yes, very good. Cake. Now, let's go to the next picture. This is a anong picture to? Ito. What picture is this? No, this is a rake. Sabihin mo nga.
Rake.
One more time.
Rake.
Yes, rake. Ano ang kasound ni rake? Is it gate or is it man?
Gate.
Yes, very good. Magkatunog si rake at si gate. At katunog din nila si cake. No? Pare-pareho sila ng sound. Sige nga. Sabihin mo nga yung the same sounds. Ano dito? Yung binilugan ko. What is this? Cake. What about this one? Itong binilugan ko na to.
Gate.
Yes. And this one, last one is
Rake.
very good. One last picture. What picture is this?
Can.
Very good. Can. One more time.
Can.
Yes. Ano ang kasound ni can? Is it cake or is it pan?
Can.
Very good. O, sabihin mo nga lahat ng magkakatunog ang sounds. This is,
Fan.
this is,
Man.
and this is.
Can.
Very good. Very good, Bray. Now, ito naman ang magkakatunog. This is,
Cake.
this is,
Gate.
and this one, last one, rake.
Rake.
Again, umpisahan natin dito ulit sa umpisa. This is,
Cake.
this is,
Gate.
and this one is, kasound siya ng cake. Kasound siya ng gate. This is a rake. Rake.
Rake.
One more time, rake.
Rake.
One more time, rake.
Rake.
Very good. So, yan yung mga sinagutan mo. At sabi naman ng iyong daddy, ay wala naman daw mali. Ano? Okay? So, for tomorrow, ito ang homework mo. The next page is your homework. This is page 13. Okay? So, ganun ulit. Circle the same numbers. Can you read the numbers for me? What number is this?
4,
This one?
3,
This is?
4,
This one?
2,
This?
7,
Next?
8,
Next?
8,
And this one?
6,
This one?
2,
Next?
1,
Next?
3,
Next?
3,
Next?
3,
Next?
5,
Next?
5,
Next?
4,
This one?
7,
Next?
4,
This one?
9,
This one?
9,
This?
2,
This one?
2,
Next?
1,
Next?
3,
This? What? No, this one.
8,
Yes. This?
6,
This one?
3,
This?
6,
This one?
7,
Next?
1,
Next?
5,
Next?
1,
This?
7,
This?
7,
This?
9,
And last one.
5,
Very good. So, ang gagawin mo, bibilugan mo lang yung the same o parehong numbers. Like this, pareho ang number 4. So, you will circle. Okay?
okay,
Let's go to page. So, ang kanya pong goals ay 13, 14, 15. So, you will connect the lines, ha? Connect the lines. For example, you will start from number 1. Number 1. Saan ka pupunta? After number 1, pupunta ka sa... What number is next to number 1? Number?
Next to number 1.
sa 2,
Yes, papupuntahin mo siya dun. Sa 2. Okay? After 2, what's next after number 2?
3,
Yun, pupunta rin siya sa number 3. Nakikita niya po yung lines na ginagawa ko?
Apo.
Okay. After number 3, what's the next number?
4,
Okay. So, pupunta, magdodraw ka ng line, go to number 4. After number 4,
5,
we go to number 5. After 5,
6,
we go to number 6. After number 6,
7,
number 7. After number 7,
6, 8,
yes, 8. We go to number 8. After number 8,
7,
hindi. Tapos na yung 7 eh. After number 8, ano susunod?
9,
Yes, we go to number 9. And after number 9,
10,
yes, finish na. Ayan, ang nabuo. Tapos, i-color mo yan, ha? I-color mo. Okay ba?
okay.
Okay. Then,
Ano po kakalora natin?
yung nabuo, di ba kinonet mo yung numbers? Yung nabuo, yung loob niya, kukulayan mo siya.
Ano pa yung color niya?
Kasi ito ay parang, ano pa to, millipede, centipede. Siguro kulay brown. Na?
Ang caterpillar.
O, dark brown. Caterpillar pala po. Okay, oo nga. So, yun po. Okay na?
May caterpillar?
Caterpillar, siya yung nagiging butterfly.
Mhm.
Hmm.
Ano tawag?
Okay. So, we go to the next page. Last page, gagawin mo today. Ito, ganun din. You will draw a line from numbers 1 to 10. So, i-connect mo yung mga dots, no? From number 1 to number 2, sunod-sunod na numbers. Hanggang matapos ka sa number 10. What does this look like to you? Anong itsura kaya nito? Ano sa tingin mo mabubuo natin dito? Tree?
Plant.
Oo, plants. Maliit na halaman. Plant. Ano? Ano ba kulay ng plant?
Green.
Yun. So, kukulayan mo ng green. Kasi leaves. Ito no? Dahon. So, these are leaves. So, iko-color mo sila ng green. Pero itong kanyang pot. No? Itong kanyang pot. Yan. Ang gagawin mo dyan, kukulayan mo ng kulay pot. Ano ba ang kulay pot? Bahala ka na kung anong gusto mong kulay ng pot mo. No? Basta ito ay pot ng plant. Hindi na to plant. So, ito ay pot. Okay?
Pwede po kulay, kulay brown.
Pwede din. Sige. So, yan ang gagawin mo for today, ha? Nagpa-practice na po ba siya ng writing?
Apo, sulat dito agad.
Opo, sa pad paper. Continue lang po. Ang sabi ko po kay Missy, sa mother niya, ay start na po magsulat ng number 1. Nagsulat din po ba?
Nagsulat siya, letter A.
Yung number 1 naman po. One side lang po ng paper. Tapos, today po, number 2 naman. One side din po ng paper. Okay po. So, any questions, Bray? May questions ka pa ba?
Kaya,
May questions ka ba?
wala kang pasok sa Monday.
Oo, sa Monday po, walang pasok. Holiday kasi. Okay? So, yun lang po ang aking lesson sa kanya for today. Pagawain na lang po siya.
Sige po, ma'am.
Sige po. Bye, Bray!
Bye po.
Bye!